Welcome to our PowerFx series. Today we're talking about the string concatenation operator using the ampersand character. It's a simple but powerful tool that lets you combine text values dynamically in your apps and agents. Let's take a look. Imagine you have two strings, hello and world. Using the concatenation operator, you can combine them like this. Hello, ampersand, space, ampersand, world. This returns hello world. Simple, right? What's important to note is that you need to use quotation marks with a space to include a space when concatenating. In PowerApps, the concatenation operator is perfect for formatting user input. For example, if users enter their first and last name in separate text inputs, you can display their full name using first name input, dot text, ampersand space, ampersand, last name input, dot text. This combines the first and last name with a space in between. Now, over in Copilot Studio, and you want to personalize a welcome message. You can create a variable called username to gather the person's name. To personalize the message, you'd use welcome, space, ampersand, username. If their username is Sarah, this returns welcome Sarah. You can use this to customize responses, build dynamic messages, or format output text. And that's the power of the string concatenation operator. Whether you're combining text, formatting user input, or personalizing responses, it's an awesome tool in PowerFx. If this has helped, consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons to help the channel continue making content and grow.